Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through a deep neck strengthening exercise. So what we're going to do is find a small towel. You're going to roll that up to a width that fits just behind your neck, between the wall and your neck, okay? So the important part about this one is that you want the towel to be just fitting in that space. So you don't want it too big so it feels like it's pushing your neck away from the wall, but you also don't want it to be too small so that you feel like you've got to push back against the wall to keep the towel there. So you may take a few adjustments to get that right. Okay, so you're going to place your heels just away from the wall, but you want your lower back or pelvis up against the wall, shoulders against the wall, and relax your arms by your side. So from here, what you're doing is you're going to bring the chin towards the wall, okay? So there's a few different cues that people respond to differently. So for some people, if they imagine the chin coming towards the wall, that's ideal for them. Other people, it works better if they imagine their head sliding up the wall. Okay, so it's a chin tuck effectively what we're doing. The idea is that you're going to contract those deep muscles along the cervical spine or along the neck, right against the vertebra, but you're trying to avoid contracting these outside muscles, the mirror muscles out through here. So to do that, it's such a minute movement. You're going just beyond imagining the movement. So it's really to the point of if someone was watching you do the exercise, they probably couldn't actually detect your movement. So for some people, if you feel like you are contracting the muscles at the front, you might have to drop back even just to imagining the movement happening. And then if you're feeling like you're comfortable to move ahead with that, then you can go through the exercise. So it's just a slight tuck and then relax. So you're going to tuck in, pause, and then relax. Tuck, pause, and then relax. We're trying to avoid using these muscles at the front. So what some people will do, they naturally tend to put their hands on the muscles to make sure that they're not activated. The issue with this is that when we put contact on a muscle, whether that's our hands or tape, sports tape or something like that, often that will stimulate the nervous system and the receptors, and that will help the muscle to contract further. So anytime we're trying to avoid using a muscle, we want to make sure that we have minimal or no contact on that if that's possible. So run through 6 of those reps initially, 3 sets of 6, and then you can work your way up to 3 sets of 15. But you want to make sure that your technique is perfect and you're avoiding use of the muscles at the front of the neck.